Good evening. Well, we did see some really rather potent showers today, but a nice end of the day there along the Clyde coast. You can just about make out the sleeping warrior there in Arran behind me. Now let's take a look at the pressure chart to see what's happening. Well, pressure is rising and it will be strong enough to take any energy out of Atlantic fronts coming our way over the next day or so. And once those clear away, plenty of dry weather, milder air, and that takes us right into next week as well. Now, as far as tonight's concerned, it's largely dry, so it'll be a dry start to tomorrow morning. Some bits and pieces of cloud and patchy rain for the southeast, but that should thin and break. A cold, frosty start as well for some. Any mist patches quickly clearing. And to all intents and purposes, we're looking at really a fine day. There'll be some good sunny spells for western Scotland, 14, 15 Celsius here, right up to the northwest and the Western Isles. Cloud bubbling up for the afternoon, but really not spoiling the day in the east, but we might just see the odd shower. I think good sunny spells for Caithness, for Orkney, a bit of cloud coming into Shetland with a freshening southerly wind. Into tomorrow evening, we'll start to see some high clouds spilling into the west, courtesy of one of those weather fronts, some bits and pieces of rain or drizzle for the west coast. That leads us into a fairly cloudy start to Sunday, damp and misty and murky for the west coast, but it will brighten up. We'll see some sunshine for the north and the northeast, and it turns drier and milder.